Today's a little bit different. Lauren usually works her 10 or 12 hour shift on a Saturday as well, like she did yesterday, but basically one of the fellas that works in the kitchen is away, and the only other person that can cover the morning shift was Lauren. So she's working this morning, she's coming back at 2, exciting, and then tonight, because we're both free, we're going to visit our friend. So we're gonna go up there, have a nice like vegan spag bowl type thing. It's been so long since I've gone out to visit anyone, particularly this friend, because it's either Lauren's working and I didn't feel that I could get up there on my own, or she's working. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it either way. Which basically means I've got to get the editing done, I've got to get all this housework done. I think Lauren's gonna have a nap this afternoon because we probably won't be back till late. And yeah. Does anyone else vlogging sort of like turn the camera on and go, just space in between these ears? I mean, you've got so much to say and then it's just like, where's my script? I really hope the weather stays fine. It's not necessarily beautiful sunshine out there or anything like that, but I really, really wanted to walk up to our friend's house tonight just to get a bit of a walk in before we sit down and have some dinner. I'm just about to start editing. Find the Mac, here it is. See y'all later. You guys, I have the worst painful hiccups. Maybe they're gone now. Maybe vlogging makes them go. Literally newfound way to get rid of hiccups. I'm just gonna go meet Lauren downstairs. She's finished work and we're gonna go to the shop, get some lunch, maybe get some nibbly bits for tonight. So yeah. Hi! So we're gonna go and get some lunchy.
Yeah, because I finished early on a Saturday.
Ignore this. Noo-Noots likes to eat what Chick...
Everything.
Yeah, well, everything, but what Chick doesn't eat. And... I don't know if you can hear him. You're going to do it now because I've got the camera on you. Now, this bowl is obviously what Chick hasn't eaten. We do give her more, don't worry, she is actually eating. You're going to jump up, Noo-Noo? The bowl originally was up there where Phil is because we thought it would be funny to see if he could scout it out because his nose is pretty good. We then changed it to here because he was just meowing at me to get it down for him. And we know that he can get, he's bloody got up there now. Come on then, we'll put it on the floor. So we thought we'd put it up on the wardrobe first to see if he'd find it. And he didn't. I had to go and tap it and he was like, oh yeah, I know where it is now. And we know he can get up there. It's one of the first places he got up when he wasn't meant to.
He was tiny.
When he was really small, wasn't he? Because
It was like the 4th or 5th day of
and he
the
couldn't get down. He couldn't get down. We had to get him down. So you do this sort of little wheew coming from the bedroom, and it would be because he got himself stuck upstairs on the upstairs. I'm tired. Stuck up on the wardrobe. Then I put it where you've just seen it, which we know he can get up on because that is where he gets up to get up onto the wardrobe, and he still wouldn't go and get it.
Lazy boy.
I told him he was allowed to have it. He's just being lazy.
1.5 liter chocolate milk, Chinese food, 2 Big Macs, spaghetti and
Mouth is open.
Phil, here's my 2 feet and he's in between it. Phil, I need to go and do yoga, love. What you do then? God.
The mouth is very open. I don't know why.
Hello there. Rocking that windswept life though. It's not showing up very well on camera.
No, it never does.
But even like, if you can see out here, there's a boat and it's just going manic. I would not want to be going on any boat today. It's windy.
It's very windy.
It's very icy.
Look at my hair.
Girl, don't talk about her, okay? snuggling all the hills. Why? Our friend lives on the top of a hill. Carry me!
Carry me.
Carry me! Ew. Vomit. We're nearly there, but look at that sky. It's not showing up. It's not too pink on the camera, but it's meant to be pink. It's lovely, even if it is cold and windy. That's better. That's showing up. So pretty. We're nearly there.
You're doing nothing.
Little puppy. Little puppy. Little puppy. We are home. Looking very much bedraggled compared to what we were before. Sorry that we didn't film much. Sorry, just closing the curtains. Sorry we didn't film much at our friend's house. Hey, don't scratch that. She didn't want to be on camera and everything, so you just got to like respect everyone. We had a really, really lovely time. It's quite late, it's about 11 o'clock. It's not too late, but Lauren is on an early tomorrow, bless her heart. So we are gonna feed the kitties. Like some dinner. We did feed them before we left, but because we've been away, we'll probably give them like an extra little treaty treat. And snuggle in bed, I believe. We're in bed. Trunchbull bun is in. Glasses are off. It's officially wind down time. Did you have a nice time, baby girl? Yeah.
We got to play with the puppy.
We did get to play with the puppy. We did. Well, you took a short video, didn't you? Don't know whether it's going to come out.
The lighting was crap.
Yeah, he's a black cockapoo, so he's so fluffy.
So we had a really good dinner. Thank you, Jen. We decided since we were going out, we'd have a cheat night. Lovely cheesecake. M&S make the most amazing billionaire cheesecake.
It was really, really good. It was so sickly
I'm
though.
paying for it now.
Miss Dairy Intolerant over here. Lauren's really good with sweet stuff, so she can eat a lot of sweets and desserts and stuff like that. I can't. Like, I'm better with carbs and savoury things, like, as you all know, crisps and pasta and rice and all that stuff. But even the cheesecake did Lauren in tonight.
Yeah.
But we had a really nice night, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
It was nice
Lovely.
to get out.
Yeah.
It was nice to see friends.
I'm playing with the puppy.
I'm playing with the puppy. Missed our little bubblers, though.
Yeah.
Oh, our little kitties. They didn't miss us.
No.
They didn't care. All they were worried about was being fed when they got home. So we're just going to watch some crap on YouTube. We're currently watching a guy called Matt Stoney, who is a competitive eater. And as you all know, we like watching competitive eaters.
So we figured that we might as well watch him whilst we feel stuffed.
Yeah, because it makes us feel better about ourselves.
Yeah. We hope you guys have enjoyed today as much as we have. It's good night from her.
Yeah, it's good night from her.
Like and subscribe to catch more, and we'll see you all tomorrow.
Bye, guys. Bye.